What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ran When Parked. I got a real quick video for you today, just a couple minutes. Obviously I got a bunch of snow here in New England. You know, I love New England, but I don't love the weather sometimes. This kind of sucks to clean up. But anyway, the honey badger's buried in a snowbank here, and I got to get it moved. And let's face it, you know, everyone loves a Cummins Cold Start video. So I figured I'd see if I can get this thing fired up and get it on video for you guys. Now, this thing is, just for those that don't know already, a 12-valve Cummins swapped into my 63 F250. And the thing about it is, usually a Cummins would have no trouble in this weather. It's like 15 degrees or so. But this has no fuel heater, and it has no intake heater. And the block heater is not plugged in. So, I think it'll start up, but I don't have too high of hopes. So let's find out. Oh, it's cold out here. All right, let's see what we got. Oof, she's turning over slow. There she goes. Kinda. Ah, she's alive. That wasn't so bad. Well, guys, now I'm just cruising it around in 12 inches of snow because it's kind of fun. I absolutely love this truck. It will go anywhere, and it's the most fun thing in the world. So I'm gonna go rip this thing around in the woods. That's about it for this episode, guys. But I'll see you guys next time on Redwood Park.